Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna show you how you can pack Vinted item. So in order to pack Vinted item, all you have to do is just follow the steps. Now, packing Vinted items securely is essential to ensure that they're arriving safely to the buyer. Now, here's how you can do it. Basically, first of all, you need to choose appropriate packaging. So select the packaging material that provide audit protection for the items, and after that you need to wrap the items, and if the item is delicate or prone to damage, wrap it in a protection material such as tissue paper, bubble, or whatsoever, and securely seal the package. Use a strong adhesive tape to seal all opening of the package and securely. This prevents the item from falling out or becoming damaged and stunned. Now, include any additional items, that is, if you're including any additional items such as thank you note or whatsoever. And after that, you need to attach the shipping label, which is one of the most important part, and you need to double check the address, which is also the another important part. Now, verify the shipping address provided by the buyer, whether it's correct before sending out the package or not. If the item is fragile, consider adding fragile sticker or label to alter postal worker to handle it care. So by following the steps, you have successfully packed your Vinted item. So in this way, you can pack your Vinted item. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.